For the circuit of figure, find the circulating current and the voltages across the capacitor and resistor. Here we can see this is the circuit. We have to find the circulating current and the voltages across capacitor and resistor. Solution. First of all, we will redraw the circuit. Now, here we can see voltage is equal to, the instantaneous voltage is given, so it is 1 sine 2 pi 1000 t. Then the value of resistance R is given, R is equal to 2.2 kilo ohm. The value of capacitance is given, it is 33 nanofarad. Now, first of all, we will find XC. So, XC will be equal to 1 upon 2 pi FC. So, it will be 1 upon 2 pi multiplied by F is frequency and its value is, here we can see, it is 2 pi Ft. So, 1000 is the value of frequency. This is the value of frequency F. So, it will be 1000 multiplied by C. The value of capacitance is 33. Now, it is nanofarad, means 10 to the power minus 9. So, this will be Xc is equal to 1 upon 2 pi multiplied by 1000 multiplied by 33 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 9. So, it is 4822.87. Now, since it is capacitive reactance, so its unit will be ohm. Now, we have the value of Xc, so we can find the value of total impedance of this R and C combination. The total impedance will be Z is equal to R plus minus JXc. The value of resistance is given, it is 2.2 kilo ohm, 2.2 into 10 to the power 3, then plus minus J, then the value of Xc. The value of Xc is 4822.87. So, this is the value of Z and this is the rectangular form. Now, its equivalent polar form will be under root of 2.2 into 10 to the power 3 bracket square plus minus 4822.87 square at an angle of tan inverse of minus 4822.87 divided by 2.2 into 10 to the power 3. So, it will be under root of, in bracket 2.2 into 10 to the power 3 bracket square plus in bracket minus 4822.87 square minus 4822.87 square. So, it is 5300.95. 5300.95 at an angle of tan inverse of minus 4822.87 minus 4822.87 divided by 2.2 into 10 to the power 3. 2.2 into 10 to the power 3 is minus 65.5. minus 65.47 degree. So this is the value of Z, and its unit will be ohm. Its unit will be also ohm. This is the rectangular form and this is the polar form. This is the polar form. Now we have the rectangular form and polar form of this, and we have the value of voltage and impedance. So we can find the value of current I. So current I will be equal to V upon Z. The value of voltage V is 1 ampere. So it will be 1 divided by the value of impedance is this value 5300.95 at an angle of minus 65.47 degree. Now if we further simplify this, so it will be 1 upon 5300.95. 5300.95, that is 1.88, or we can say 188.64. 188.64 into 10 to the power minus 6 at an angle of, now here this will be this angle when it goes upside, so it will be, here there is no angle, that means it is 0. So it will be 0 degree minus 65.47. So it will be plus 65.47 degree, and since it is current, so its unit will be ampere. Now we have the value of current, we have the value of voltage, and we also have the value of impedance. Now we have to find, what we have to find in this question, we have to find circulating current and voltages across capacitor and resistor. The voltage across capacitor will be, let's say it is current IC. The current through capacitor is IC, and or we can say the current through capacitor and resistor will be same, that is current I. So we have to find VC. VC will be equal to, according to Ohm's law, IC into XC, or I into XC only. I into XC. X is the capacitive reactance. The I is 188.64 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 6 at an angle of 65.47 degree. 188.64 into 10 to the power minus 6 at an angle of 65.47 degree multiplied by XC. The value of XC, the value of capacitive reactance is this value. So it will be 188.64 1, or we can say simply 188.64 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 6. Now we have to multiply this with 4822.87. So it is 0.909. 0.909. This is the value of VC at an angle of 65.47 degree. Now since it is voltage, so its unit will be volts. So this is the voltage across capacitor. Then voltage across resistor. The voltage across resistor will be VR. Now again, according to Ohm's law, it is I into R. The value of current I is this value. And the value of resistance is, you have to multiply this by resistance value. Resistance value is 2.2 kilo ohm. 2.2 into 10 to the power 3. So it will be 188.64 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 6 into 2.2 multiplied by 10 to the power 3. So it is 0.415 at an angle of, now here this will be 65.47 and the unit of this will be VR. Since it is VR, so its unit will be volt. So this is the voltage across resistor and this is the voltage across capacitor. This is the total current flowing through the circuit. If you find this video helpful, then feel free to donate whatever amount you can. Link is in the description below. Thank you.